Hey, this is Anthony DiBasilio here with Factory FMF KTM Off-Road Racing Team, sponsored by RK Chains. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove an old chain and properly installing a new chain. This is your new RK Universal Chain Tool. Comes with instructions that I recommend that you follow. It has every piece that you need inside of it. It's always best to keep everything inside of it after you're done, that way you know where it's all at when you're finished. First step is finding the clip on the old chain or the old rivet link. You will then use a pair of pliers like I have done here and remove the old clip. In this step you're going to be measuring your chain. Make sure you have new sprockets on. I always make sure that my chain adjusters are loose so that the wheel can move freely. When you're done putting your new chain on, look into your owner's manual for the proper specifications on the tightness of your chain. In this step you're going to be removing the links that you do not need on your new chain. Make sure that you tighten the large pressure bolt against the chain before you tighten the small pressure bolt and the cutting pin. You will then tighten the small pressure bolt till the pin is pushed all the way through and remove the links that you do not need. Now you're ready to install your new chain now that it is cut to proper length. I always make sure that the lettering is facing up so you look cool. I never use the old X-rings that come on the chain that you pressed out. I always use the new ones that come in the package with the clip. Take those out of the package, you take the wire tie off, and then you're going to be putting those on the new clip. For ease of installation, I always have a pair of channel locks. Just to get it started, I press it together just a little bit. Make sure you use the clip link plate holder that is marked with a C on the back when you're using a clip. Place the tool assembly under the connecting link and align the pins with the side plate holes. Turn the pressure bolt by hand, making sure to keep the pins and side plate holes aligned until snug. Use a 17mm ratchet wrench or socket to tighten the bolt. The side plate should press fit firmly but without difficulty. Tighten the bolt to correct depth allowed by plate holder channel. Do not over torque. Loosen the bolt and remove the tool. For installing the clip, use thin nose pliers. Snap clip into the pin grooves with closed end of clip facing rotational direction of the chain. Now we're going to install a rivet type link. For installing the plate, you'll follow the same steps that we used to do the clip type link. Remove the plate holder and insert flare pin into the large pressure bolt of the tool and insert tailpiece into the hole in tool wall opposite the pressure bolt. Place the tool under the connecting link. Align the flare pin with the hole in the end of the pin. Make sure the other end of the link pin is seated in the tailpiece. Tighten the bolt by hand so that the flare pin is snug against the link pin hole. Use a 17mm socket or ratchet wrench to tighten the bolt until the pin hole is flared out sufficiently to keep the side plate from coming off. Repeat this procedure for the second pin. Make sure you tighten the bolt only until firm resistance is felt. Then loosen the bolt and inspect the pin for a complete, even flaring. Do not over tighten the bolt. You may bend or damage the link pins or bind the link entirely. A pronounced even flare will securely connect the chain links together. Once your chain is properly adjusted and your axle is tight, just make sure that your chain is aligned properly on the sprockets. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of RK University. Thanks a lot, Joey.
Oh, man. Oh.
Last clip and you screwed up.
Yeah. Don't say anything. Just keep on.
Head down.
Go ahead.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of RK University with Factory FMF KTM Off-Road Race Team.